How to change Facebook number. Let's get started. Move into your application Facebook. Make sure that you're logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to menu at the bottom right corner. Tap on the settings icon at the top right. Now head over to see more in Account Center and then move into personal details. Tap on contact information. In this page, if you want to change the number, then click on the previous number that you have set and then click on delete number. Once it has been deleted, now you have to go back and tap on add new contact, then click on add mobile number. Enter the new number that you want to add to your Facebook account. Once you have added, tap on next. You will receive one verification code in your number. Once you have received the number, you have to enter it in the section that you are asked to. After that, the mobile number will be added to your account. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.